Assalamualaikum. I'm Rehab Ahsan, a student of grade 7 from Pakistan International School, Qatar. On the very outset, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I thank the organizers for providing this August platform and giving us the opportunity to celebrate the Independence Day of Pakistan by sharing our thoughts. I feel honored to interact with you all, and it is my proud privilege to speak my mind on this auspicious occasion. My dear friends, today I have chosen the topic My Dream of a Futuristic Pakistan. From this eminent platform, I'm going to share with you my dream Pakistan. I will tell you what ideal Pakistan do I dream and how it is achievable. My dear friends, Pakistan emerged on the map of the world as an independent sovereign country on 14th of August 1947 due to the relentless efforts of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is a home to around 220 million people, forming one nation of Pakistan. It is a land of plenty and still unexplored opportunities. It is a country of most resilient people who stand tall against all odds. From a modest start in 1947 to a nuclear power, Pakistan is a success story. Distinguished gathering on 28th of August 1963, Martin Luther King Jr. gave a historic speech in which he shared his dream of freedom and equality for his people. Today, I will share with you my dream of my nation and my country. My dream for my beloved Pakistan is no different than the dream of its founding father, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam wanted Pakistan to be a prosperous country that could be a shining example for all the Muslim countries of the world and lead from the front. This is the same dream that I have for my dearest Pakistan. I have a dream of a Pakistan that leads from the front. I want to live in a country where ethnic communities live in harmony. I want to live in a Pakistan that is for all, not for a handful elites. I dream a Pakistan where diversity is beauty and strength. Sadly, even after decades of independence, my vision is still a vision, my wish is still not granted, and my dream is still a dream. But I have not given up hope. I cannot give up on my Qaid's dream. My dream is not an impossible dream. It is 100% achievable. It is practicable. My dear fellows, Pakistan is blessed with abundance of God-gifted resources for which we can thank Allah Almighty enough. We must strengthen and reinforce our faith in Allah so that our wish is granted and our dreams come true. Nature has blessed us with plenty of water, fertile soil, mineral wealth, variety of weather, and most importantly, a vibrant youth. My dream is achievable by making the best possible use of these resources. My dear friends, unity is any nation's strength. If we work as a united nation with a common aim to build a futuristic Pakistan, we can realize the dream of becoming an ideal country to live in. My dear future leaders of Pakistan, in the words of Diogenes, the foundation of every state is the education of its youth. My dream is attainable by making education the topmost national priority. Education and only education is the key to success and only way forward for the people of Pakistan. When educated and honest people will become a part of the system will automatically be on the right track. My dear youth of Pakistan, let us now see what part can we play in making Pakistan a land of success and prosperity. As students, what part can we play in nation building? Jane said, and I quote, "Youth is the joy, the little bird that is broken out of eggs and is eagerly waiting to spread out its wings in the open sky of freedom and hope." Our great father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, taught us the lesson of discipline, unity, and faith. So first of all, we should be united. Exhibit discipline in all walks of life and have full faith in ourselves, our abilities, our nation, and its potential. Secondly, we must focus on our future goals to become a productive citizen of Pakistan. We should not ignore those who are less fortunate. We must lend our hands to help to lift them from their positions. My dear fellows, the role of youth is most important in today's time. Youth are the country's power. Youth are the building blocks of a nation. Help me in realizing my dream of a futuristic, thriving, and vibrating Pakistan. play your part in making Pakistan a land of success and prosperity. My dear fellows, let us celebrate this year's Jashn Azadi with a great renewed commitment to work hard with sincerity and devotion to take Pakistan to the new frontiers of excellence and beyond. We owe it to Pakistan. Remember, each single effort counts, and I'm sure that my dream of a futuristic, thriving, realizing, and a very progressive Pakistan will realize very soon. In the words of Qaeda Azam, let us resolve to work hard, jointly to solve all the problems and build a prosperous Pakistan. Thank you, Pakistan Zindabad.